Welcome to another video. Sa video na ito, samahan nyo kaming magpunta sa Venice Grand Canal Mall. On our previous video, nagpunta tayo ng Rockwell, binisita natin ang Asian Eye Institute at ang Rockwell Power Plant Mall. So from Rockwell, kumuha kami ng Grab para magpunta dito sa Venice Grand Canal Mall dito sa Taguig. It's a Saturday afternoon kaya medyo nahirapan kaming kumuha ng Grab. And on top of that, medyo traffic na talaga kahit natawid ilog lang, no? From Rockwell papunta dito sa BGC. If you're traveling within Metro Manila, we highly recommend that you use the Grab app versus hailing a taxi. It is more convenient kasi nakikita mo yung location ng Grab, alam mo kung kailan na siya paparating, at alam mo din kung magkano yung babayaran mo even before you start the ride. Eto na nga, nakarating na tayo sa Venice Grand Canal Mall. First impression pa lang, mapapawaw ka na talaga sa itsura ng mall na to. Inspired by one of Italy's most romantic cities, Venice Grand Canal Mall has elevated the shopping and lifestyle scene in the Philippines with its uniquely Italian sights and sounds and dining experience. Maraming nagpupunta dito para mag-take ng pictures ng kanal, ng mga mascot nila. There's also shopping inside the mall at napakaraming mga restaurants na nandito. Kaya kung mahilig kayo mag-Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, madaming photo spots dito. Hello! Nandito kami ngayon sa Venice Grand Canal Mall. First time ni Mama dito. So, papakita namin siya dito sa Venice Grand Canal Mall. So, tingnan nyo din. I-film din namin kung anong meron dito. Thank you nga pala sa lahat ng nanonood ng videos ng Traveling Lola. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. You can also share our videos to your family and friends if they like food and travel videos, especially if they travel with senior citizens. Venice Grand Canal Mall, also known as Venice Piazza, is a shopping center at McKinley Hill located in Taguig, Metro Manila. It is well known for its replica of Macau and Italy's Grand Canals. A visit to the mall will give you the feel of wandering around the shopping centers of Venice. When we arrived here, it was almost sunset and the sky was beautiful pink and purple. But syempre, nagutom muna kami. So, bago ang lahat, kumain muna tayo. Nagpunta kami ng Fish and Company. Kung mapapansin nyo, a lot of the restaurants na kinakainan namin is part of the Bistro Group. It is a collection of international casual dining brands such as Fridays, Italianis, Denny's, Texas Roadhouse, Fish and Company at iba pa. At ang kagandahan nito, BDO credit card holders can enjoy exclusive dining discounts. They get 50% off for a minimum of 2,500 and a maximum of 6,000 pesos dine-in food and beverage bill. Offer is valid all day every Friday to Sunday from September 1 hanggang November 26, 2023. And this offer is available to all BDO Gold, Elite, and Classic credit card holders. And because of Mama's age, marami na rin siyang dietary restrictions. Much of the food that we order is either seafood or vegetables. Kaya naman swak na swak talaga sa kanya itong Fish and Company kasi puro seafood dito eh. Kaso fried nga lang, kaya onti-onti lang din. And while you wait for your food, binibigyan kanila ng fish crackers. And after 15 minutes, finally dumating na yung food namin. Wow, ang sarap nito! We ordered the seafood curry and the Philadelphia fish and chips. And after namin kumain, mag-ikot muna tayo para bumaba yung mga kinain natin. The Venice Grand Canal is the most visited attraction in the area. With its foreign and modern architecture, guests and customers gather in different spots to have their photos taken. Its unique architecture is inspired by the finest and most elegant cities in Europe. The structure's meticulous details and carvings are embedded in pastel colors. Aside from its popularity through its creative facade, it also caters to different cuisines for foodies.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Venice Grand Canal Mall. Nanonood kami dito ng boating, para nagbo-boating sila. Itong lake na ito ay homemade lake.
Man-made.
Itong homemade. Itong lake ni ito ay man-made lake. Ginagawa nila ng attraction dito sa area ng ano po ito?
Tagig.
Tagig. Oo. Marami din taong nagpupunta dito, sumasakay sila ng mga maliliit na mga sasakyan, swan, boat, o maraming mga different kind of sasakyan. Yan, ikot-ikot sila doon hanggang doon sa dulo. Marami ng dekorasyon na light sa ilalim ng bridge. Maganda naman din. Excuse me mo lang. Saan natin nakikita ito dito roon sa ano? Enchanted Kingdom ba yun yata?
Swan Lake.
Ha?
Mga Swan Lake.
Oo, saan yung banda?
Sa Baguio, Burnham Park.
Oo, Burnham Park nga. Saka, hindi, mayroon pa din tayo noon. Enchanted Kingdom yata.
Meron siguro.
First time ko man lang nakakarating dito sa area na ito.
Pero alam mo mama, sa Macau may ganyan din. Tsaka sa Venice, Italy.
Ay, hindi naman ako nakarating sa Macau pa. Baka someday, makapunta ako doon sa Macau.
Pero di ba yung pinapanood mong Chinese drama, yung nagpunta-punta pa nga siya dun sa tubig? Macau yun, di ba?
Ay, oo. You Are My Destiny. Oo nga, sabi ko gusto ko din marating yung Macau. Tatawid lang from Hong Kong to Macau. Pwedeng magbobot, pwedeng mag-plane, pwede ka din tatawid sa bridge. Oo. Sana kung maabutan ko pa din yun, maganda din. Marami akong gustong lugar na pupuntahan habang ako'y kaya pang maglakad.
Mama, may mga paparating na mga boat. Nakikita mo ba yan?
Oo, nakikita ko.
Gusto mo bang sumakay sa mga boat na yan?
Ay, huwag na. Bagay lang yan sa mga pangbata. Matanda
Hindi
na
naman
ako.
bata yung sumasakay eh.
Oo nga, hindi na, parang nagiging scenic attraction tayo. Parang tayong
Tourist attraction.
Tourist, oo. Para tayong tourist attraction eh. Huwag na lang, hanggang tingin-tingin na lang ako. Panoorin sila kung anong ginagawa. Yan mo, sila ang nagpipidal. Sila ang nag-ooperate ng kanilang sinasakyan. Hindi na bagay sa akin yun. Okay.
Ayan, so kakaiba naman yung itsura ng mall dito. Very unique, no? May mga ganyan-ganyan pa silang pakulo. Ayan, para hindi lang puro lakad, mall, kain, may mga activity pa.
Oo. Mayroon doon sa unahan, no? Kung gusto mo magpapapicture, tingnan natin, halika, para makikita nila parang mga karakter ng mga marami din nagpapapicture. Marami dito nagkakalat. Para nga nasa Enchanted Kingdom na mayroong mga ganun. Ayan sila,
Tinatawag ka mama, oh.
Saan? Ayaw ko naman magpapicture kasama sa kanila.
Ayaw mo? The mall also escalates love and romance to a whole new perspective by adding the famous Italian gondolas in the mall. Friends and lovers can create memories as Filipino talents serenade them while gondoliers steer the way to an experience of a lifetime. There is also an area where lovers can attach their love lock because it is believed that for those who leave their symbols of love along the bridge railings will be granted a gift of love for a lifetime. And not only that, the mall also showcases performance from various bands and singers that would surely blow your mind out of amusement. Aside from entertainment through music, you can also roam around the bazaars and get unique finds. So what are you waiting for? Pumunta na kayo dito sa Venice Grand Canal Mall because it's really something unique dito sa Philippines. I think ito yung first time na nakakita kami ng ganito sa Pilipinas. Nakaka-proud isipin na nagle-level up na ang mga malls natin at nakikilaban na siya sa mga malls in Macau, Singapore, and other countries. For those na nakapunta na ng Venice Grand Canal Mall, tell us naman kung ano yung mga ginawa nyo din dito. Or, kung meron mang mga malls outside the Philippines na katulad nitong Venice Grand Canal Mall, let us know din para makita din natin yon hopefully in the future pag nag-travel tayo. So what do you think? Would you consider this as Little Italy in the Philippines? Well, we don't know, but one thing's for sure though, it really looks nice and beautiful. Honestly, we never thought that canals can be this grand. Who would have thought that it can even become a tourist spot in another country? But after visiting this place, and kita nyo naman, sobrang daming tao talaga dito at nagpapapicture, kaya matuturing natin siyang isang tourist spot dito sa Metro Manila. We've seen a lot of vloggers na mga foreigners or balikbayan na dito na nagsasettle sa BGC. But if you're only here for a day, this is a place that we would recommend spending half a day relaxing and enjoying Italian-style design and some good food. Pero siguro kung may mga kasama kayong senior citizen or may mga mobility issues, half a day is actually very, very long. Nakakapagod talaga ikutin to. Si mommy nga, sobrang pagod na pagod na pagod na. And since sobrang daming tao dito palagi, napakataas ng foot traffic, it can really get you tired. So for us, we spent about 2 hours here, including the dinner that we had, and okay na. Kota na kami. Ang dami na naming pictures and videos for our memories. Wait lang, bago kayo umalis, ano masasabi nyo sa Venice Grand Canal Mall?
Lang. Masaya naman, maraming tao. Marami din taong nagpa-picture-picture. Isa na rin kami rito na gumagawa ng video. Gusto ninyong magpunta dito para mapanood din ninyo itong area na pang iba. Oo. Kaysa supermarket na pinupuntahan ninyo. Ibang klase din ang dating din dito.
Supermarket na pinupuntahan ninyo?
Ano mall? Super mall. Kung sinong makakita ng video ko at magustuhan nila, pwede din silang pumunta din dito para mapanood din nila yung area na kakaiba sa ibang mga mall. Unique. Masabi ko lang, unique naman din ang dating.
And on top of all the shops, the restaurants, the gondola, and the gondola ride, alam nyo ba na pwede kayong bumili ng property or condominium dito mismo sa Venice Grand Canal Mall? Imagine yourself waking up to this beautiful scenery like Venice or Europe. Ang saya, di ba? Para ka na sa ibang bansa every time that you wake up. So if you're a balikbayan, a local, an expat, or a foreigner and you're looking for a place to stay, might as well consider all the places around BGC kasi marami talaga siyang pwedeng puntahan. Very modern yung mga facilities. There's so many malls na pwede nyo talagang makita, highly accessible and very convenient while you're here. And on our way palabas ng mall, nakita namin tong Venice Piazza and pigeon feeding. Pigeon daw guys, tingnan natin. Actually, nung lumabas kami at tinignan namin yon, para siyang maliit na activity area where kids can ride itong rental, yung mga small cars na famous pag yung mga nasa mall, 'di ba? Pero wala kami nakitang pigeon. Siguro sa mga ibang araw, pag onti lang yung tao, may mga pigeon dito. But it's a weekend, it's a Saturday night right now, kaya sobrang daming tao at walang pigeon. Ang final thoughts namin dito sa Venice Grand Canal Mall, it's definitely unique at sangkaterba talaga yung mga restaurants na pwede mong kainan. So if you're looking for something unique, madaming mga photo spots at madaming mga restaurants, you can always visit the Venice Grand Canal Mall. But siguro, ang word of caution namin, sobrang daming tao. Ang dami tao talaga. So if may kasama kayong mga senior citizens, 2 hours maximum, you can already get the most out of the Venice Grand Canal Mall. So, kumuha na kami ng Grab. Very convenient din ng Grab pickup spot dito para umuwi sa aming condo in Uptown Parkway Suites 2. Dito na muna namin tatapusin ang vlog natin. Itutuloy natin ang pag-explore sa BGC sa next vlog natin. So if you like food and travel videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You can also hit the notification bell icon so you're notified pag meron tayong bagong upload sa channel namin. Thank you for watching our video. Till our next video. Bye-bye!